Now our next award winner has already been up here once already, but by popular vote, he's going to come back up here. This person actually received more nominations for an Impact Award than any other person this year. He is a former Temple Wildcat and University of Houston quarterback. He is Vice President of VQuest Office Supplies. He served on the Chamber's Board of Directors for the last 3 years, serving as Vice Chair. This man made his mark on the Chamber Board, most notably by preventing unanimous votes. But as a board member, this gentleman always did his homework, gave us a perspective the rest of us probably hadn't really considered, and was very involved in all the Chamber activities. I personally don't think anyone has done more for the Temple Chamber in the past 3 years than Impact Award winner Mark Drumston. Congratulations, Mark.